Hey, what is up, YouTube? Thank you very much for tuning into my channel, Lando Tech, and boy, have I got some interesting news for you. If you need to filter out all the duplicates from a large Excel file, then I'll show you two of the fastest and simplest ways to get that done. And before I jump into the demonstration, if you find how-to content like this useful, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe if you want to see more. The first way I'll show you is by using conditional formatting. First, ensure that you're under the Home tab. Then highlight the column that you want to target. Click on Conditional Formatting. Click Highlight Cells Rules. Click Duplicate Values. If you select the Values With dropdown, it allows you to select the color that the duplicate values will be highlighted with. If you click the dropdown to the left, then select Unique, every value that's not a duplicate will be highlighted. But if we leave the default selection, then all the duplicate values will be highlighted. Now that the duplicates are highlighted, we can filter them out. You can click the drop-down arrow on the header of your targeted column. Click Filter by Color. Then click No Fill. Now, all the highlighted duplicates have been filtered out. Since the duplicates are only filtered and they haven't been completely deleted, you can easily retrieve them by removing the filter. Before I jump into my second method, I want to introduce you to a book that's perfect for beginners at Excel. It's called Excel for Dummies, and right now it's 41% off at Amazon. I'll put the Amazon link in my description below. The other way to remove the duplicates is by clicking the Data tab. Then simply click Remove Duplicates. Click Unselect All. Then select the column that you want the duplicates to be removed from, and press OK. It will tell you how many duplicates have been removed and advise you the amount of unique entries still left. There you have it. You have just learned 2 ways to remove duplicates from an Excel worksheet. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you found this helpful, please click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe by clicking my logo at the bottom right of this video. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified when I drop a new video.